Hello, bonjour, hola, take two, because I messed up. I am the person who runs Bot Designer for Discord tutorials, or what else it's ever been called in the past. This sun. There you go. So, I have been working on this channel for over 9 months. I almost said 9 years again, which I also said in the post. Thanking you guys for as many 2,000 subscribers. But I have been on YouTube for over 7 years and been creating videos for over 7 years. I think I've been watching YouTube videos for 9 years, creating for 7 years, and having a successful channel for 9 months. This channel's been my first successful channel, and I know because Corona we're not supposed to touch her. I do it anyways, okay? But thank you guys for coming to my channel, subscribing, watching my videos, liking them, commenting, whatever you do. It helps a lot. I was gonna say is I've always wanted to have a YouTube channel that's like gotten subscribers and stuff, and most I've ever gotten is really 150 until I made this channel, and this channel doing really good. It's taken us 4 months to reach 2,000 from the time I said 4 months since the time we reached 1,000 subscribers to reach 2,000. So see at 3,000. But I have an idea for this channel because I like my back itches. I like helping you guys and I like helping everyone. So I want to make this channel mostly bot designer tutorials, but like they don't add that many commands and like that many new features and stuff to make new commands from. So it's kind of hard to constantly make videos every single day for you guys. But like if I made mostly bot designer for Discord videos, then I don't know. I want to make other tutorials like maybe how to like make money from drop shipping or make your own clothing brand with no like income money kind of thing and stuff like that. But can't move otherwise. Fix the lighting, but only if I'm right here. But just let me know maybe what kind of tutorials you guys would like to see that's not bot designer for Discord tutorials kind of thing. Because like, I really want to help you guys continue making tutorials, but I also want to upload more. And with bot designer for Discord, I don't really upload that often because there are only so many commands you can do. Like I was going through, and some of my commands I've been remaking from 9 months ago, like my suggestion command, I remade a month ago because 9 months ago it was horrible. Now it's slightly less horrible. That's about it. If you have any questions that you'd like to ask, comment them. Now about my other channels, because I said I've been on YouTube for like creating for 7 years, watching for over 9 years, but I had several channels. Two of them were based off of Roblox gaming. One of them reached 150 subscribers. That one took 4 years to get there. The other one got 15 subscribers in 3 videos. I mean, I guess if I would have continued at that, because my other channel had 200 videos, I would have continued at the rate. I would have passed my other channel, but I just gave up because I didn't really have interest in Roblox videos anymore. But that does show the power of clickbaiting titles because, like, yeah, kind of clickbaited those and got a lot of views and subscribers. Then I've had several music channels. This channel I actually renamed for this topic is, if you like to see when it was created in like 2017, but I've only been using it for this for a little while. But I actually used to use this as my own personal music making channel, and I used to have all my music that I made here, but I stopped and privated all those videos to make this channel because I wanted to do that for some reason. I've also had several others where I make nightcore like remixes of songs. That one did sort of 20 subscribers. And then I had another channel where Used to be called Panda Music, and changed it to Chill Panda because I like lo-fi music better. I still post there every now and then, but I'm doing this a lot. I don't know why. It was a lot of fun making the videos, and I also have about 30 videos there, but I have exclusive rights to a lot of the music, or the only person on YouTube you can find a bunch of those music for. I think 3 of them are privated right now because they're premieres, but for a while from now. And then there's one by Rick Ransom, other people. Other people. You know, I can like change my skin tone. Thank you guys for subscribing so much. You guys really mean a lot to me. Comment what kind of videos you want. Don't forget to join the Discord channel. I think it's right here. Made a Discord bot for it, where you can call all my videos on command so you don't have to scroll through my videos. Like, it's in the official main channel. You could like just do like question mark ban and find things and stuff like that. So it just finds all my videos super easy. You can like do fun, 24/7 hosting, all that stuff. So that when you want to make commands, you don't have to do them right away, but you also don't have to save them or download them or anything. You just come back to them later. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, comment what kind of tutorials you'd like to see, if that's a good idea to make this more tutorials, but mainly just bot design for Discord tutorials, or what you guys like to see for this channel, because I want to keep doing bot designer for Discord, but I want to do more. Repeated that a few times. Just thank you guys so much for subscribing. That's about it. Also, I'm trying to make an intro and outro. If you'll see this channel, I tried. I did try. I did my best. I did what could be considered. I did what could be considered my best. If you guys want to make an intro or an outro for me, that would be greatly appreciated. Just message me on Discord through the YouTube channel, Discord server, which I put up here earlier. It's also in the description. But if you want to help me make a better intro and in-card outro thing, greatly appreciated, because right now it's kind of bad. It's kind of simple, which isn't a bad thing, but my intro, on the other hand. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. I hope you guys enjoy my channel updates, like my new profile picture, my new banner, like I just said, my intro, my outro, me turning it just like glowing white. Yeah. Okay, bye. Just tell me if you want to see more tutorials and stuff in the comments. I repeat this a lot of times, but just I want to help you guys with tutorials, like I've repeated multiple times. So I want to make more and different kinds of tutorials too. Not beauty tutorials, because if you see this, there's no beauty here. What was that? Ow. If you guys want to see any other kind of videos, let me know, because I'd love to post any kind of videos you guys want to see. Any kind of you guys would want to see, because I do this for you guys. So whatever you guys want to see, just let me know. And yeah, I'll show you what my backyard looks like. Subscribe.